Yes, sir. Bye, sir.
Hello.
Evening, sir.
Evening, good evening.
Sir, were you waiting for a long time, sir?
Yeah.
Oh, sorry, sir.
I joined this class even before exiting that one, sir.
I
Uh-huh.
tried that once and it ended very badly.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
How was your last
You were
class?
always.
So it was
It was
really good. Oh,
biology.
oh, no, last class in the sense last your class or last biology class?
Hmm.
Which class, sir?
Last class, the previous one, the math. Sorry, the previous.
Previous math class.
No, the biology. The biology.
Oh, it is fine.
It was good,
Sir,
sir. It was
after
good.
triangles over, can we do like a revision on the first 4 chapters, sir? Because that's most likely in the exam.
Yes,
What
sir.
is
We
that?
are actually having our exams on July 15th, sir. So we are way ahead of our syllabus. So I feel like we have to revise for our exams.
The logarithms only coming in third term, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, I know. So thing is, I'll speak to your administration, and however they feel, we'll do that. As I understand, today and tomorrow we will have triangles. In the last Thursday class, we will have something else. Not a new chapter, but an old one.
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
So this time we have rational and irrational number, expansions, factorization, simultaneous linear equations, and our teacher said we might have triangles.
For
Triangles,
what?
sir, bruh, no.
Yeah, she said we might
For what?
Triangles we won't have. The
for
triangles is
term
like the
one.
10th chapter, da.
Okay.
I
So,
know.
anyways, for today and tomorrow, at least we will have triangles. At least for today,
We'll have
and
indices. We won't have.
let's see.
Yes, sir.
Can see the screen?
Yes, sir. Sir, and I have doubts in that in the assignment, sir.
Triangles.
Okay, we'll discuss that.
Yes, sir. Let me just take.
The assignment was
Yeah.
quite easy.
Let's have these
It was quite
questions
easy,
first.
but
Oh,
only
this is
two
a
At the end
problems
of
I
the
have
class, we
solved.
can discuss your assignment. Okay?
Sir, this is our
Yes, sir.
assignment question, sir. Oh wait,
Is
it's
it?
not.
class
There was
is this
something very
one.
No,
similar.
it's no,
No, sir, there was something very
no, sir.
similar.
It was yeah, it was
Okay.
something
So
like
this
that.
is the question. Take a minute and try to see. I'll give you 2 minutes for this.
Okay, sir.
Starts now.
Okay.
1 second, sir. I'm nearly done.
Almost done, sir.
Mhm.
This one's not that hard, sir.
Sir.
Yeah, it's a warm-up question.
No, I don't like the sound.
Okay, so let's see how it works.
I'm done, sir.
So verify your answers as we proceed. So
Should
what
I
we
type?
write, we write it in triangle ABC. We have AB is equal to AC. It implies that angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. Implies that angle ACB is equal to 20 degrees also. So we mark it here, this 70 degrees. Then again in triangle ABC, sum of angles must be 180 degrees. A plus 70 plus
Sir, can you
70
tell the
must be,
answers?
A is 40 degrees.
Yes, sir.
Now, okay, so this is fine. Since DBCEF is straight line, we have angle ABD is equal to 180 minus 70. That means 110. And in a triangle ABD again, for the same reason, sum of angles must be 180 degrees.
Angle sum.
C
20.
plus 48 plus 110 must be 180 degrees. It means that
Yes.
C is becoming 180 minus 158, which is
Yes.
22 degrees.
22.
Yes, sir.
So C comes as 22. Then in triangle ADC, sum of angles must be 180 degrees. 48 plus C plus A plus ACD.
Sir, I feel like you just made this sum a bit complicated, sir.
How is it?
Yes, yes, sir. Like you can simply find angle BCA by just subtracting angle ACE with 180, sir.
But
Day,
you
this
don't
is
know,
much
no?
more
ACE.
easier. Bottom two angles are same. We just know it's 70.
So ACD becomes 180 minus 48 plus C plus A. So
22, sir.
48 plus 22 is 70 plus 40 is 110. It
110.
implies that B is
B
equal to
equals
110.
110.
Okay. And once B is equal to 110 degrees, you know that 130 is sum of B plus D, right? So 130 exterior angle.
We can also easily find out that as triangle ABC is isosceles triangle and their basis
It's not.
angle should be same. Their,
Oh, it is. It
their
is. It
exterior
is.
angles will also be equal because it's a straight line.
Which one?
As ABC is an isosceles triangle, the base angles will be equal to, which is 70 respectively. And you mentioned that DBCEF is a straight line. So obviously the exterior angles will also be the same.
Fine.
We already
That
know
also,
that DBA is
ah,
equal to 110, so we can make ACE as
Hey,
110.
this is the format of writing, da. You have to write like this.
either way you choose, only thing is there should be a flow of information and that should be correct. I'm not saying that this is the only way. There can be multiple ways. Okay? Of
Yes.
course, if you want to bring in the parameter of writing the shortest answer, you can choose it directly writing the values of A, B, C, and D. It's up to you how much marks it contains. If it is of 1 mark, directly write the values of A, B, C, D. If it is a 5 marks or 4 marks, I think the paper setter is expecting you to write some arguments, right?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Sir, and is my video off?
Yeah.
One second, sir. I'll just rejoin.
So D comes as 20 degrees. Understandable?
Yes, sir. I got it correct.
Everybody fine?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Yes,
Let's
sir.
see one more question.
Sir, now is my video on?
Yes, Palkaj. Sorry, Shankar.
The video thing is uh, when the network fluctuates, the Zoho app automatically turns off the video for better connectivity. And this is normal because here it is raining in Bangalore. Okay. So it might happen that your videos are off. Even sometimes my video can be off.
Yes.
Okay, sir.
Okay, shall we see one more?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes, sir.
This is the question. You can see.
Yes, sir.
So take a minute and then we start.
So are we supposed to use the congruency rules, sir?
Yes, of course. If there is other way which you can think of, we can discuss that.
Yes.
Sir, done.
Mhm.
Sir, done, sir.
Yes, yes. A few more seconds.
Sankalp,
Yes,
come on,
sir.
buddy.
Okay.
Sankalp is also done. Done, huh?
Okay, I didn't say yes, did I?
I Sam done.
Okay.
Yes, sir. I'm
Comments.
done, sir. I'm done, sir.
Come on,
Yeah.
buddy. Shankar.
Anyone
Sir?
wants to take a shot?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
This is because first I'm going to prove that triangle ABO is congruent to triangle ACO.
Mhm.
So there's one side that is in common and there's another side that is given to be same. And then
Mhm.
since triangle ABC is congruent, it's isosceles, the bottom two angles will be the same. So if BO bisects angle B and CO bisects angle C, the angle of ABO and ACO will be same. So using the SSA rule, we can conclude that both triangles are congruent. And if both triangles are congruent, their angles should also be equal, and thus AO bisects angle A.
Okay. Everybody agrees?
Can I tell?
Yes, sir.
I mean, no.
Okay.
I,
Yes.
I
Tell.
did the exact thing.
I can't see this name. One second. So in this ABC is a
I
congruent
just
triangle.
told
I mean,
answer.
see,
I
isosceles
just told
triangle.
answer.
Okay.
Nitish.
Yeah, I have another answer. Wait,
Okay.
now we can see. Triangle ABC is isosceles triangle. So an angle B is bisected equally, and the same goes for angle C. So since it's an isosceles triangle, both angle B and angle C are same, and they both are dissected equally. So
Bisected.
angle OBC and
Bisected.
angle OCA are both same. And okay, I never said that. Congruous that. And then since angle
What is
B
the
is bisected,
congruence? Okay,
angle OBC
understood.
and angle
What is the name of
Nitish.
congruency? Which
yes
are you
yes
using?
SAS.
SAS
That's
or
exactly
SSA?
what Conguel said.
Yes, sir.
Okay, Conguel said SSA.
No, sir, because OB is a common, and then B and angle both B like ABO and angle OBC are same, and since it's an isosceles
OBC.
triangle, okay, sorry, okay, you
Okay.
can't. Okay, sir, nothing, sir. My
Triangle
answer is
OBC.
wrong.
Side side
First of
angle
all,
only.
there is no congruency by the name SSA.
No, this.
Okay. So
SSA.
something is.
Sir, there is, sir.
Uh-huh.
No,
No,
Sankalp. Angle.
no, there's only AAS.
So there is a catch in the arguments of congruence, uncle, and even
Oh, okay,
in
okay,
your.
it is SAS.
But for the SAS,
And then
the thing is, it should happen like this. If this
The
is
angle
side,
should
this is
be in
side,
between the side.
angle should be in the between. So if that is there, you are saying me that there are two equal sides, but the angle which you are mentioning is not the between angle. How do you deal with
So we
that?
have to prove that they are equal,
the
sir.
P is middle,
That's the
sir.
whole point.
So what to do?
Sir, angle AOB, I think we can find in common because I say so. No.
No, only angle AO we can take common, and we can find if it's congruent with AO triangle AOB and AOC are congruent.
Sir, triangle B. Oh, wait, no.
Sir, something makes me think that
Does
we
it
have to use
include
only A
triangle
raised to H.
BOC, sir?
Yeah.
Could be.
So I
Could
was
be not.
on to something, but then I realized that the sides of the triangle are not the same as the base. Sir. If they
That's
were
what.
same, I
That's
could
what.
have done.
So
Forgot.
it is more than an easy question, isn't it?
Yes,
It
sir.
is, sir.
Maybe, sir. It's easy. We just
The picture is fake. I mean, it's real, but a different mindset.
it's not to scale.
I mean, it. Okay. Sir, we don't know, sir.
Sir, oh my God, sir, I'm done.
Somehow if
Sir, triangle OBC is an isosceles triangle because its base angles are same.
Yeah, I said that.
So
After that.
we can prove that triangle BOC is congruent to ABO, and then we can. So which means the side
How
BO
was
and
it
OC.
congruent?
Wait, it's congruent through what rule is that? ASA rule.
ASA, there's something called ASA.
There is,
One second, wait. Do you
there
want
is.
me to explain that congruency, sir? It's congruent, right?
You
Sir,
can
but
tell.
sir, but
You take a
side
minute.
AB and BC are not same, sir.
Take a minute, frame your arguments, and then I'll ask you after a minute. Okay?
Again, sir. Oh.
Sir, SAS rule, we can prove that ABO and AOC are congruent, sir. This is because triangle BOC is an isosceles triangle because its bases are same, which means side BO and OC should also be same. and then AB and AC are same, it's given. And then angle BOA, no, yeah, angle AO, oh my god, angle ABO, yeah, angle ABO and ACO are same. So that's another angle, sir. SAS rule, we can conclude that they are equal. They are congruent. Is that correct?
Okay. Hmm.
So is it correct or not?
So thing is, no, you have,
Oh
we
yeah,
have,
sir. I
it
have
could be
one more
correct.
thing, sir.
It could be correct.
I have an
So it is
argument,
correct,
sir.
sir. I'm so confident.
Okay. Then
Okay.
I'll
I'll
just like rephrase
give
it
my
in
turn
like
back.
within 10 words. Angle BOC is is isosceles triangle. BO and OC are same. So we can prove with SAS rule that ABO and AOC are congruent triangles. That's it.
That's a lot more than 10 words, sir.
Okay, let's see.
I'm not the only one who doesn't
Well, what
stick to
said
my
was
words,
also
ra.
my ideas with this.
Let's
I mean,
see
not
how
like
it
my
goes.
idea, but it was. So if you make it easier, I'll change my name to whatever Sankar wants. So.
See
He'll name you Shankar, ra.
I'll
how
be
to
his
write
brother
it.
then.
It likes this. AB is equal to AC
Given.
implies
Given.
that, yeah, angle ABC is equal to angle ACB. But we know that they are bisected. So ABC is twice of OBC. ACB is twice of OCB.
Yes,
Means
sir.
that when 2 cancels, OBC and OCB are same.
Yes,
Now
sir.
looking into the triangle OBC, you have two angles which are same, which means opposite sides are same. So OB is equal to OC. That
Yes,
means
sir.
now in triangle AOB and triangle AOC,
Oh yeah, you can use SAS. Oh my
yeah.
god.
So
Okay,
AB is
okay.
equal to AC. Then you have angle ABO
Is equal to angle ACO.
same as angle ACO. Why? We have to give the reason. Because ABO is nothing but
Bisector.
OBC, right? And
Yes, sir.
OBC is nothing but equal to OCB. OCB is nothing but equal to ACO. So that's why. Okay.
So triangle AOB and AOC are congruent, and hence AO is
And then you have
uh,
OB is equal to OC. SAS implies that triangle AOB is congruent to triangle AOC.
So I was correct.
CPCTC implies that
then I
angle
said SAS.
BAO is same as angle CAO,
Wow.
which means that OA
AO is the
bisects
bisector of BAC.
angle
BAC.
BAC.
I was partially correct, but then I realized I was wrong. I mean, not mostly wrong,
So
but somewhat.
what this question teaches us,
I am stupid. I'm this way.
You're not always correct.
we are not always correct, and as well as whenever we apply any
Math's tricky.
congruency,
There is
verify that
nothing
it
called
is
as
correctly
SSA rule.
applied or not.
Math is
Yes,
cruel.
sir.
That's what I learned.
There are anyway only 5 congruency rules, so it should not be hard.
Yes, yes, yes,
So
yes,
Yes,
yes.
there's
sir.
Okay.
1,000 possibilities, sir. Actually,
Okay,
5
shall we see
possibilities, but
one
We
more?
just learned as 18. Yes, sir.
So we have
Okay,
half an hour more. We can see more than one possibly. We can see more than
of
one.
if you
course.
answer them,
Okay, let's see. This is it.
what? So So where are you getting this from? So is this from the textbook?
Yeah.
Sir, this type of question we got it from home in homework, sir. Like this type of question.
Yeah.
Good to go then. So take 2
Then
minutes.
I'll just check my assignment.
So take
No,
2
we
minutes.
got
Frame
this
your
type
No,
of
no.
arguments.
It's not the same question. Yes, sir.
I know.
It's
Like
not the
if
same
I can
question.
get the idea.
So
then
your time starts now. Your time starts now.
Oh, no.
2 minutes. Frame your arguments and then we'll discuss.
Oh my God, who's calling me? Oh. So in the picture, did you indicate that angle DBP and angle PBC are same?
Yes. So
Because
indicated
Yes, they are
angles are
same.
same.
oh,
There
oh,
are two pairs of angles which are equal.
so like the angle CC is also like angle PC is a bisector of angles.
Yeah. PC is bisector of C. PB is bisector of B.
B. Okay.
Oh, I get what to do now.
So can I draw a line to AP, sir?
Your
AP.
choice.
If I draw like line like AP, I can maybe prove that BPC
Maybe not.
triangle BPC and APB are congruent, and then like I don't know.
Your wish
I don't know how
goes
that's
with you.
useful, but
Your wish. Your wish. But for a hint, there is no construction required.
okay, then I'm wrong. In that you're saying.
Ooh.
Hey, stop that. That's annoying.
Okay, sorry.
Does that?
This is a very tricky question, sir.
So do I have to
It's not
prove that
really.
triangle DBP and triangle BPEC are congruent? Because it doesn't look like it.
I won't tell this time.
Okay.
Yeah.
1 second, sir.
Yeah, done. 1 second is done. What are you gonna say there?
Hey, shut up and do it on your
Over smart you think you are.
Focus on your works.
Sir, I think AB should be equal to AC, sir.
It's not.
Okay. So
Like the
Sir,
question. I
he's
think
asking
I
if
think
it,
they're
if it
supposed
is.
to give.
No, they're not supposed to. It's not in the question.
you'll be surprised to know actually that there is no role of angle A.
Sir, there is
I'm not
nothing
even.
as
I know what to do, sir. I just don't know how to do.
So I know the answer,
I know,
sir.
I
It's
know, I
that
know you have to
DE is
prove
equal to BD plus CE.
I know you have to prove BDP is congruent to PEC, but
Okay, okay,
I don't know how though.
not funny anymore.
Okay. So any comments?
No.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, triangle BDP is an isosceles triangle with D as its top angle, and the same goes for triangle PEC.
Okay. So
Okay then.
That's all I have, sir.
Yeah, how was it a isosceles triangle?
okay. So see
It's
everybody.
because okay, sir.
Okay. Listen, please.
Sorry.
Yeah. So DE. Um,
Sir, all I
DE is
observed is,
parallel to
yes, sir.
BC.
Can I say
We
something?
have transversal
Shush, no.
angles. Angle DPB is same as angle CBP, which is further equal to CBP being bisected by PB. It is equal to angle PBD.
Sir, how is
How was DBP and angle CBP same,
PPB?
sir?
It is same, da.
This
It
is
is
because
same,
of transversal,
Cutting through a parallel line.
and this is because of
Yes, sir.
bisector, which is PB. Convince
Oh my
yourself.
God, sir! It is an isosceles triangle.
I just said it at
That's
the
what
start.
Kongwell also
Da.
said. That's what Kongwell also said.
Okay,
Okay.
okay. Why
Understandable?
didn't you say that earlier?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now what we do, we look at this and this in triangle DBP. Having these two angles equal gives me opposite sides are equal. So DB is same as DP. Same reason goes for another triangle.
EPC.
Peck.
So angle EPC is same as angle BCP, which is same as angle PCE because of the bisector and transversal theory. In triangle EPC, because angles are same, we have opposite sides
and
same.
EP.
EP is same as EC. Now what to do? What we do is just simple. It's called, if I give it a name, it would be blood. It will be like bluff. Okay. So DE is equal to DP plus PE, right?
Yes, sir.
DP is equal to DB. So either DB or BD both are same.
I found it till there. I just didn't know how to prove
PE
the
is
those
same as
triangles are
EC.
congruent.
So DE comes as BD plus C. Understandable?
But how do you prove that DP is equal to, I mean,
Wait,
DP plus
the question's not
CE?
done.
Question is done.
One by one, yes.
Okay, nothing. Leave it.
So is the question done or not? It's not done, right?
It is done.
It's
That
done.
E is equal
What
to
is
BD
there?
plus CE. That's the. There's nothing else to prove.
See, I'm done, sir. I thought you have to. Oh my god, I'm done, sir.
I hate your Kongwell. Just, can you comment? Okay,
Okay.
nothing.
So what do we learn from this question?
I'm done.
Know when to stop.
That
Don't
sometimes
overthink.
don't overthink. Sometimes common sense will also work. Okay.
Uncle will be very mad at the statement.
Okay. One more question.
So 40 minutes, we solved 2 questions, sir.
3, 4,
3.
4, 4.
Oh,
Okay. So this time you have
No
to
image.
find out the figure.
Oh my god,
I
I hate
hate these sums, sir. I hate them, sir.
for some reason, I like them.
Okay.
You're so
Try
weird, Nitish.
take a minute.
I
Actually,
like them because you guys said
for the
We all know
diagram, I'm
Nitish
giving
is
you only
liking some
30
bad. Yes,
seconds.
sir.
For the diagram,
What, sir?
I'm giving you only 30 seconds.
What?
Diagram,
Yeah,
diagram.
ABC and BBC are two isosceles triangles on opposite
What?
sides of BC. What?
Okay, I get
They
it.
said DBC. Okay. DBC. Sir, it's a triangle, sir. There is no opposite side.
We know that.
We know that.
Isosceles triangles on opposite sides of BC.
Okay. So let's see whether
Wait,
you have
figure
got
out
the
the
correct.
diagram, sir. I did the diagram.
Yes, yes, for the diagram only.
Yes, sir, I did the diagram. Can you see, sir? Can you see my video? Sir, look at this.
What is that?
That's a
not-
parallelogram.
Yeah, it's triangles also.
It's not a
I
parallelogram.
had.
That's the correct figure. That's what I got.
I mean, this is what I was about to do. Then I thought I'm stupid, so I won't be correct. If I
So
want to get
ABC
answers,
is a triangle, and on the opposite sides of BC, there are two isosceles triangles.
How
So
do you
this
consider as
yeah.
opposite sides, sir? Same base, right?
so BC has an upper side and a lower side. So those are two opposite sides.
Sir,
Sir, it's a singular line, sir. What do you mean?
Yeah, the language could be tricky, but common sense again.
It's a 2D
Sir,
object.
my diagram is also right, sir. Look at this. You see this
Yes, yes,
triangle,
it is
right?
possible. It is possible to have, because of the abuse of the
Bruh.
language, another diagrams. But consider that this is the diagram which is given. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Sir, you
So
can
now
also
take a
draw a triangle. Sir, actually, I got confused with the letters in the star over here, sir. You see that over here I mistake and I took A, B, C and I put D in the middle. It doesn't form like that. You have to put B in the top and A in the left corner and D in the right corner and C in the middle, sir. That's when it forms a triangle.
Okay.
Happens, it happens. That's why we solve questions. Okay. So take a minute and try to see how it can be done.
yes, sir.
What, sir? Sir, are we supposed to find those 1 and 2?
No, they are given to be equal sides. AB is same as AC, DB is same as DC. You need
No,
to
sir, are
show
we
those
supposed
two things.
are we supposed to show that? No.
Prove that the two of DA bisects BC at right angle and ABD is same as ACD.
Okay, I didn't know that.
So is there something like a diamond triangle rule, sir, where
Sir, I'm done. I'm
opposite
done. Oh, wait, I'm done only with the first one, sir. I'll do the second one.
the
Oh, wait. This is nearly the same thing. I'm done.
so we have to first prove that ABC, I mean triangle ABC and BCD are congruent, right?
The
I mean I don't know how, but
side BC. You didn't.
hey, did you get those both like congruent?
No, no, there's no wait, there's congruency in the question. But I won't tell you the answer.
Actually, this question doesn't support my diagram, sir.
This
Outdated
diagram
version
doesn't
of some
support my
can't
brain
solve
cells.
this.
Sir, can I say that BC are common and angle ABC and angle BBC are
Sir,
same?
can you tell the answer now? Sir,
Yes. Tell.
okay, sir. So first we drop a line AD, sir. Can you just draw it, sir?
Hmm.
First we draw line AD and angle BA, and that center point of BC is a right angle, sir.
How do you know?
How we have to prove that? How is it a right angle?
We
You're
know it
supposed to prove
because
that.
we don't know. Okay. Oh, okay. My
Sir,
bad.
this guy is a liar.
You
That
have to
Okay.
if,
call me
if
liar.
that
Okay,
was
so let's
solved in
see.
3 months,
Let's see
Sir,
how
sir,
it
1
goes.
second. Sorry.
Can I
I
say?
said it wrong, sir.
Can I say?
Sorry, I said it wrong, sir. Angle ABC and ACB are same. I'm trying to prove that ABE and AEC are congruent, sir.
Mhm.
So the angle ABE and angle ACE are same,
hey, you can
and
use
AB
side
and
angle
AC are
side,
same.
Sir, you can use
That's
side
what
angle side and tell that ABE and ACE are congruent.
what? How can you side angle side?
See, side AB and AC are same. And then angle B and angle C are same.
Hmm?
Okay, you can use SSA. We can use SSA. Sorry, not
There's
ASA.
no rule as
SSA.
SSA, and sir
Oh yeah,
just
right.
said it.
Just now I made. Okay. Oh my God. Let me check the rules first.
Okay. Sir, it's because always in an isosceles triangle, if we drop a line, it will be 90 degrees, right?
Hey, only if it's perpendicular, da.
Uh,
Perpendicular to.
Okay, so
We
see,
don't know.
in this question, you are
Sir,
going to learn. Yeah. Tell.
sir, if angle B and angle C on both sides, are same,
Uh-huh.
the point A and point D, they'll be like parallel, let's say, because they're isosceles triangle, they'll go meet each other at the same point as D, sir.
Come again?
Hey, wait, this is the diagram I got, the parallelogram, but
Sir,
just in a different.
Mhm.
in every isosceles triangle, if we
Mm.
drop a line from the top to the bottom, which is straight, it'll uh, bisect it, right, sir? A
How do you know it's
perpendicular line,
straight?
if we draw in a perpendicular line, if we draw, it'll bisect BC, right, sir?
How do you know if it's perpendicular?
So
I don't know.
it
I'm
is a
telling. Let me
kind of,
explain.
the first thing which we want to show, it is a part of your argument. It
Yes, sir.
asks
Yes,
you
sir.
to
So
verify that.
we drop. Yes, sir. We drop a line like that. AE. If it's perpendicular, it'll bisect B and C. And if we want line ED to meet line AE, both of them should be perpendicular.
Okay.
Because both of them are isosceles triangles, and a perpendicular drop from an isosceles triangle bisects both sides.
One question. So you are dropping a perpendicular from A on the side BC
Yes, sir.
and dropping a perpendicular from D on the side BC. Are you
Yes,
sure
sir.
that they are going to meet on the same point?
They are meeting in the same point in this case, sir.
This diagram is not for reference. Okay.
I know, sir,
So
but if we
it could
draw
happen.
AD,
See, it could happen like this.
So it's an isosceles triangle, sir. It won't be like that.
So my point is how
And
your
it's not,
isosceles thing is forcing them to meet at the same point. That's my question.
sir.
What is the reason behind that?
Sir, both of them have to bisect BC, sir, because both of them are isosceles triangles. If they drop a perpendicular.
Okay. Okay. Understandable. Mhm.
Because BC is
Right.
common.
So, yeah, I
So
like
you're
it's
wrong.
not very. It's no, it's not very like writable. It's not very legible of what can be written in
So you are
paper.
assuming first that dropping a perpendicular has to bisect the opposite side.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So you can say that, okay, uh,
And since
one
both
more
of them are
question,
isosceles triangles,
one more
yes,
follow-up
sir.
question is, are you sure that AED is a straight line?
Yes, sir.
Why?
Yes, sir, because BC is common.
So they have to be. So they've given line DA. So DA has to be a line. Or
It
else
can
how can?
happen, no? Like you are joining two line segments, right?
Yes, sir.
It's okay that in an isosceles triangle, dropping a perpendicular bisect the side. Those two joined line segments, how are you sure that they are forming a straight line?
So because both of them are isosceles triangles, sir,
Not so easy.
they have to meet at the center, sir, because it's an isosceles
Okay,
triangle.
can
This
I
is
can
because
I give
BC
you
is
a
common.
cross reference figure? Just I
Yes,
want to
sir.
remove the isosceles triangle and I want to do it like this.
Then it just destroys my points, sir.
That then it makes us feel more dumb.
This bisects, this bisects, right?
Yes, sir. And
Yes,
no,
But
sir.
in
sir, they
between,
have to be.
they are not. So of course, you can say now it is not isosceles and they are not even perpendicular. So my question
Yes.
is, why being isosceles and perpendicular forces this line to be a straight line?
So because perpendicular lines of an isosceles triangles are always straight.
Fine, this is a straight line. This is a straight line. The join of these two segments is not necessarily a straight line, right?
Joining, like E,
So
sir,
this
point E.
A, E,
Yeah.
and D. AED in this case is not a straight line, right?
Sir, if it's an isosceles triangle, the
Ah,
perpendicular drop has to be
so if
straight.
it is an isosceles triangle, how I'm asking the reason behind that? How
So
being
because we
an
learned it
isosceles
in the
triangle?
first class. Sir,
Okay,
wait. No, we can prove that.
okay.
No,
So we
let's
have,
just do it,
so
sir. We don't
that's
have
why
time.
it's good. It's good to think in different directions, and that's what makes the subject interesting also. Okay.
So I know I'm correct, but even if I'm
Yeah.
correct, I wouldn't write that on paper, sir. It's not
So we
very
have to
legible.
give
Write
an
down on paper
argument.
and upside there.
We should give an argument which is having no loopholes. Okay.
Yes,
And it
sir.
goes like this. See, in triangle ABD, or rather, okay, ABD and triangle ACD. SSS tells me side, side, side. AB is same as AC,
That's me, sir.
BD is same as
Sir,
CD, and AD is
Sir,
common, right?
sir, how are you telling A, B, and BD are okay? Nothing. Okay. Oh my.
That is given,
sir,
no?
sir, sir.
You have to read it properly. Sir skips a step. You just have to be
Okay,
able to
so
understand.
just for reference, okay?
Excuse me,
Now see,
sir.
CPCTC
Sir,
tells
can I
me,
say something, sir?
yeah,
Sir, I've actually proved this thing, this first question in an entirely different shape, sir. Like
okay.
my in my
Speak faster
diagram,
now.
sir. But I don't I can't explain it without drawing it or writing it somewhere. So
Then don't.
what do I do?
I think is let's try to tell me. Possibly you can trust my understanding of your way of
Or like,
solving.
sir, we can make him screenshot
Sir,
and draw.
it's not that I
but
can't.
mouse he will draw vada.
Just tell the steps. No problem.
Sir, it's not that you can't understand. It's that I can't explain, sir.
Why
So you're
not?
too dumb to.
Okay. Let me
Come on,
just
tell
Must be
me.
some
Try
kind,
it.
sir.
Try
Yes.
it. Try it. Yeah.
Sir, so there is a triangle BAD, sir.
Okay.
And
Dad.
sir, can you
What?
like just
DAD,
keep drawing it while I say it, sir?
Sure. Yeah.
You can
So
animate
which
it.
triangle?
The triangle BAD,
ADB, sir. Same thing.
ADB, BAD, yeah,
Okay.
BAD, and I put a line from correct. Wait. To and
You know you're
opposite
wrong.
sides. No, I got it right.
Shut up, da. Convent.
No problem. We can discuss it after it. Okay. So
Tomorrow come to
see.
school, we'll check.
So as we continue, the CPCTC says that angle BAD is same as angle CAD. Okay. That means
So
that
it bisects.
this is same as this.
So we can now
So
prove the
don't you-
second one,
Now
sir.
we can
Instead of
prove that
doing this, we can just prove
ABE
second
and
one.
ACE are congruent, sir.
Yeah, now we can
Same.
prove. So
ASA,
in triangle
ASA.
AEB and triangle AEC, which congruency?
ASA.
ASA,
I didn't
very
find
good.
it yet. Oh wait, never mind.
ASA implies that triangle AEB
And AEC
is
are
same
congruent.
as triangle AEC. And now this is what which gives all the required things. BE, PCTC tells me that BE must be same as CE.
Or CC. Okay.
That means DA bisects BC first of all. So this is, I'm not saying at right angle, which we will show. DA bisects BC.
Sir,
Right.
any
If
perpendicular
it
drop, I mean,
if it,
any bisector of the base in an isosceles triangle is right angle, right, sir?
The reason
you have
is
to prove it.
now
No assumptions.
CPCTC again tells me that angle AEB same as angle AEC,
Yes,
but
sir.
their sum is 180 degrees because BC is a straight line, being the side of a triangle. So BC, side of a triangle, implies that angle AEB plus angle AEC is equal to 180 degrees. These two are equal. It means that each one of them is how much?
90 degrees.
90 degrees.
That
And
is
this
the
we're done
reason.
with the problem.
Okay. No, we have ABD. Oh, okay. ABD.
We
So
already
this is
proved that ABD and
Yeah, we
ACD
already
are
proved that.
congruent
Oh my
triangles.
god, yeah. We already proved that. Oh.
okay. So DA bisects BC at right
At a right
angles,
angle.
and ABD is same as ACD.
As well,
Why?
Yes, sir. You don't have to write it,
PPCTC.
sir. You just know it, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, because triangle ABD and triangle, ACD are congruent.
ACD are congruent.
CPCT is
ABD is same as ACD.
AC.
Okay.
Uh,
So
Yes, sir.
question.
the point behind this question is it we understand. Okay, let's put it in this way. Okay, a remark.
Hey, wait, so 1 second, show the question.
What are you
So you
doing
can go
there?
friends, the next page. You can go.
Okay, so let's see a remark. The remark is, let's suppose that there is a question here. We proceed in a structured way. It might happen that we have some islands with us, islands of information.
Instead of going straight to the main island, we are going one island and two island and two, one island.
And we might have the very basic islands of information. So this is these are basics. They are advanced. Okay. So your observation in an isosceles triangle altitude bisects the site is an advanced island. Okay. What we want to achieve always, we want to attack the question from as basic islands as possible. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
If necessary, and if there is no other way, we will incorporate an advanced island. Questions are there like that also, which will require advanced islands of information. But as long as we can, we should attempt using the basic islands of information. Understandable?
Yes, sir.
Okay then. So see you in next class. All the
Thank you,
best.
sir. Bye,
Thank
sir.
you, sir. Bye,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Thank you, sir. Bye, sir. Good night, sir.
Good night. Yes, Uncle, you were saying something.